In this video, I want to show you how to check your laptop hardware abstraction layer. A hardware abstraction layer in a laptop is a software layer that acts as an intermediary between the operating system and the physical hardware components. It provides a consistent and uniform way for software to interact with different hardware devices without needing specific knowledge of each device's inner workings. This abstraction layer simplifies development and allows for easier hardware upgrades and software portability. So this video, I want to show you how to check your hardware abstraction layer. To do that, come to this start icon, just right click it and click on run. This will open this run interface. Then here, type MSC info 32. Click on OK. This will open this page. You will see the information about your system specification and model here. Then scroll down and come to this very hardware abstraction layer. So in this case, you can see the model of my hardware abstraction layer. The essence of this is that the abstraction layer simplifies development and allow for easier hardware upgrades and software portability. So in case you are looking for your hardware abstraction layer, this is how to check it. Thank you for watching.